This configuration guide is applicable to the following charge point models. To commission the SyncEV compact charger, please download the SyncEV app, available on both Android and iOS. Tap Skip at the bottom of the screen. Select the menu icon top left of the screen. Then tap Settings. To enter installer mode, you will need to tap the screen 12 times where the version number is shown until the notification to activate the installer app appears. Tap Confirm to enable the installer mode. Ensure the installer mode toggle is active. Then select the return arrow in the top left corner, then swipe away the menu to the left. You will now see at the bottom of the screen a new icon of an installer. Select the installer icon. Now tap Refresh. Chargers within a reasonable proximity will appear on the screen. Select the charger you require. Enter the PIN from the charge point identification card. Tap Wi-Fi. Tap Wi-Fi Setup. The app will begin to scan for available Wi-Fi connections. After the scan is complete, tap the required Wi-Fi connection. Enter the Wi-Fi password, then tap Apply. Once the connection is made, the app will show the charger online. If the charger fails to connect to the Wi-Fi, repeat the process. Please remember to stay within close proximity to the charger while connecting to the Wi-Fi. Further support for connecting the charger to Wi-Fi is available via the installer app, and you can always contact your customer support team for further guidance. Now the charger is online, you access settings such as authentication, power management, and LED brightness. We hope you found this content helpful. For further information, please check out the SyncEV website and installer portal. You can stay up to date with our product ranges and our latest innovations by subscribing to the BG SyncEV YouTube channel and following @SyncEV on all social media channels. We would love to see your compact charger installations, so please share your pictures with us on the installer portal on the SyncEV website, www.syncev.co.uk. All links can be found in the description below. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.